Hi guys, welcome to the YouTube channel, CVR POV. Just undergoing a lot of changes with it at the minute, but one of the things we're going to be doing for 2023 is we're going to be providing loads more videos, some short ones, some long videos, all different types of stuff. This one's just going to be a short video. It's a little hack for alloy wheel repair. So there we go. We've got a wheel, nice, we're prepping it. We don't want to prep it on the floor. We might not have 4 stands, but I'll tell you what we could have. The humble traffic cone. Bosh. There you go guys, nice little tip for you. They're actually really good for saying that, you know, the traffic cones, they're really sturdy and you can spin them. They seem to fit perfectly in the centre hole of the wheel. You know, it's not going anywhere, that isn't. And they're not a bad height as well for spraying, so all good. Anyway, if you like this video, hit like, comment, please hit subscribe. We need more subscribers. Cheers guys, get ready for the next video.